Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick look with the new Meant to Be palette by Colourpop. I haven't tried this palette out, so I'm really excited to see like what pigmentation and stuff is like. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm actually going to hop off and do my brows off camera, and then I will be back and show you guys the palette. Alright guys, I am back and I went ahead and did my brows off of camera. So when I was recording, I didn't notice that my camera stopped recording, so I have to start all over again. So when I start kind of talking about the palette, I have already tried it. My brushes are already dirty, they're already green, so you guys will see how that looks. But yeah, let's get back to it. I'm gonna be going in with the P. Louise. This is the base in Rumor Zero. This is a white base, so essentially I'm using this one because I think it will allow for more color payoff. Taking a flat brush, and then I'm gonna just start stamping everything on, and then I will blend it out. Alright, so my base is on now. So again, I'm going to be using the Meant to Be palette. The first shade I'm going to go into is going to be the Get Fresh shade, which is this guy right here in the corner. I'm also using Colourpop brushes for this. I did get them when Colourpop was still shipping. So this is my first time using the brushes. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blow that color out in my crease. So again, anytime that you are working with colors, things are always going to look a little bad before they look better. Going back into the palette, I'm going to go in with the color Seltzer, which is this guy right here. Taking that with a smaller brush, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to my outer V. I'm also going to go ahead and start dragging it into my crease. This color is so pretty. Also, shout out to my best friend Jessica for giving me this palette. I remember we were like messaging back and forth, and I was telling her, I was like, yeah, I really want to get, you know, the Meant to Be palette, and she got it for me. So shout out to Jess. I'm gonna go back in with the previous brush and the previous shade and just blending everything out. And then again, going back in with the darker color. All right, now I'm gonna go back in and cut the crease with the same P. Louise base, and then I'm gonna add a shimmer on top of that. This also is not gonna be a full cut crease. I am just going in kind of halfway. I think sometimes people get a little intimidated with playing with color shadows. And also I think there's this misconception of you can only get one look with a colored shadow palette. And I think that's kind of not true. Only reason is because, for example, this palette right here, you have different shades of green. So this one right here is a little bit way more mintier versus there's some like lighter, more like greenish shades. So I think that you can create a lot of different looks with this palette. It's just kind of what colors you pair together, and I think also using your palettes and combining them with other palettes that you already have. For example, I have the Milk Cosmetics Smoke Session palette, and I think that that palette would pair really nicely with this one, especially the mint colors. I do like to tap out the base. I am going to go in with this brush right here, and I'm gonna tap into this shade. We'll see how well the color picks up on the brush. I know sometimes with shadows, it doesn't always pick up really well. This is a beautiful mint shadow. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Play It Cool, which is this guy right here, and apply that to the inner part of my lid. So one thing to keep in mind with this palette is that it does have a lot of fallout, but fallout doesn't really bother me. I think that that's something that like can be taken care of, especially if you do your eyeshadow before you do your face makeup. I'm gonna go in with the micellar water and a cotton pad and clean up the excess. Going in and cleaning up under my eye, and again just kind of doing this cat eye effect. Now that the under eyes are cleaned up, I will go ahead and do my face off of camera, and then I'll come back and finish the lower lash line with you guys. Alright guys, I am back, and we're gonna finish up the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with the same shades I went in with before, so going in with that light mint color first on a fluffy brush. Right, now I'm going to go in with a smaller pencil brush, going in with the second darkest shade. Then I'm going to take this small pencil, or actually this is a lip liner brush, and I'm going to go in with the icy mint shade. I had went in earlier with it. I'm going to try and apply it to my inner corner. Okay, lower lash line is done. Now I'm going to curl my lashes so we can apply mascara. For mascara today, I'm going in with the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This is a really good mascara that provides a lot of volume. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the MAC Extended Play Mascara. Going to touch my top lashes with this as well. I do like using a waterproof mascara. Not so much for the waterproof part, but my eyelashes have a really hard time staying curled, so waterproof mascara helps them stay curled. And then also for kind of a pop of color, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner, and this guy is in the shade Fresh. So today for lips, I'm going to go in with the MAC Posy Perfect Lip Liner. Actually, I changed my mind. This guy's too close to my natural lip color. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe Lip Liner in Sweet Tea. And then for the lip color, I'm going in with the KKW X Kylie Cosmetics collab, and I'm going in with the shade Kimberly. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. Here's a close-up on the eyes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.